All right, everybody, you guys saw the title, you saw the thumbnail, you know exactly what is going on today, which I'm super excited for. I'd say you guys are pretty excited for this as well. But before we get to that, I just want to talk about something real quick that I forgot to mention in the last video, and that is the last video I uploaded, the ARC exhaust install. That was actually my 100th YouTube video, which is absolutely insane. Like, I've only been making videos for a little over a year now, and we've already broken 100 videos. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all your support on everything. Like, it really does mean the world to me. Like, I'm so grateful, and just thank you guys so much. But now, with that being said, let's go ahead and hop into this video. So today, well, actually today's Monday, I guess Tuesday. So Tuesday, tomorrow morning, I'm actually going to be heading up to Indiana to Dream Machines to go get a custom AlphaSpeed tune on my 2013 Genesis Coupe. Now, as you guys probably know, I've been talking about getting a tune for quite some time now. I just wanted to get the car where I wanted it to be bolt-on wise before I went ahead and got it tuned, because otherwise, if I start adding more bolt-ons, you got to pay to get it retuned, and I figured I might as well just get the car pretty much exactly where I want it before I go ahead and spend the money on a tune. So yeah, now that the ARC exhaust is installed and the car sounds just how I want it, it's time to tune this baby. So before we get ready to head up to Indiana, there's just a few things I need to do in preparation. Well, really one main thing, and that is clean the car, but I won't bore you guys with that. I'm gonna go ahead and get this puppy cleaned up, and I'll see you guys after that. All right, everybody, it's about 7 a.m. the next morning, and it's time to start making our way towards Indiana. Alright, so I just mapped it out. It's about 4 hours. This is gonna go a lot faster for you guys than it will for me. There's a massive tunnel right here. I have no idea where I'm at, but if I still had the ISR exhaust, this would be crazy. It still sounds pretty sweet. It is so foggy out this morning. Like, this is pretty crazy. Alright, we're pretty much almost there. 0.2 miles. We're about to pull in, and then it's time to get this thing tuned. I want to say I'm here. I see a few Genesis, well, a Genesis Coupe over here. Oh yeah, this has got to be it. There's 4 Genesis Coupes right there. Alright, let's see what happens now. He's in there doing his magic, and for now, I'm going to turn the throttle controller off so we can see if the 1-to-1 throttle response with the tune is going to work. So, I'll go ahead and go to mode. There we go. It's off. We're about to go data log the car now. See how this goes. We're going out for round 2 now. It's my turn behind the wheel now. Let's see how it feels. Check engine light going. So right now my throttle controller's off, but with the throttle controller off, it's even more responsive than it was before. Like, it feels pretty crazy. We'll do a full send right up here. Go down to first gear, and let's send it now. See how this feels. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It pulls so much harder. But the burble tune, man, right at about 2,000, like, you just hear these little bassy pops. It sounds so funny with the ARC exhaust. If I still had that ISR on right now, it would be spitting. Man, this thing feels great now. That was after like 2 revisions, I want to say. So yeah, I guess we'll see what's next. All right, everybody, I'm just about to pull out here now. The car is fully tuned, and man, this thing just feels great. Like, it is a pretty night and day difference, honestly. Like, it is so much peppier. But yeah, if you guys want to get your Genesis tuned and you live in the Indiana, Tennessee, Kentucky area, hit up Dream Machines. This dude is freaking awesome. He killed it. I'll leave their info and everything down in the description below if you guys want to check them out for yourself. But yeah, now it's time to start the 4-hour journey back to Kentucky. Man, I don't think it's picking up on camera, but the burbles right now are just, it's insane, man. You get through about 2,000 RPMs and let off, and it does not stop burbling. But like I said, with this arc exhaust, it's kind of harder to hear. So if you guys got an ISR or something like that and you get tuned, it will crack and pop like crazy. All right, we should be good to go now. Now it's time to begin the 4-hour and 6-minute drive back home. But I have a feeling it's going to be a lot more fun on the way back because the car, it's definitely a bit faster now, that's for sure. Check out this Porsche race car right here. Hopefully I can get a better view of it in a minute, but this thing looks badass, man. Like, it is slammed to the ground. This thing is sick, bro. Check that thing out, man. That wrap is sick. Like, I love that. That looks so cool. All right, everybody, I just got back into the old Winchester, Kentucky. I didn't record much on the way because there wasn't too much to record. It was a pretty boring 4-hour drive. But yeah, now that we're back in familiar roads, let's go ahead and find a spot to send it at. It's actually the next day now, and the reason for that is because yesterday when I got back into town, I went and took a picture of my car. I turned the car off, and when I turned it back on, as you guys can see, the check engine light came back on. So I've been talking to Jason from Dream Machines. I sent him over the codes. My buddy's got a scanner, and the codes are just the regular header codes that like you get whenever you throw headers on. For some reason, they just didn't permanently go away. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to buy myself a scanner so I can continue to clear these, and it pretty much happens every time I turn on the car, unfortunately. But yeah, nothing should be wrong with the car to my knowledge. Like I said, it's just the regular codes that you get whenever you put headers on. So yeah, the car should be fine. But now with that being said, let's go get this full sends now. All right, first gear, traction off, let's send it. Man, this thing is a shredder now. Like, oh man. All right, let's do a 60-year-old now. In my mind, like, it just pulls so much harder. We'll do a second gear roll this time, all the way down to second gear. It pops so much more now, man. Like, it's kind of ridiculous. It's awesome. All right, second gear. Now we'll roll into it about 3,500, floor it. It just puts you back in your seat now. All right, let's do another first gear pull. We got traction off, get turned around here, get to about 3,500 and floor it. And we spun up like crazy. Oh man, this thing just yeets now. Oh yeah, it feels so good, man. I love it. I absolutely love it. Another first gear, no traction send. Get to about 3,000 this time and we'll full send it. Oh yeah, it's spun major. Oh yeah. Oh man. I'm gonna do a 40 roll in sport mode this time with traction off once again. I feel like that was one of the car's weakest points before it was tuned, so let's see how it feels now. About 40 miles an hour and foot to the floor. Definitely picks up a lot harder. And once you get up with RPM, now it starts ripping, man. Like, it picks up kind of slow, definitely harder than it did before, but as soon as the RPMs get above like 4,000, you just start ripping. Like, I really hope these burbles will pick up on camera, but like, you get to about 2,000 RPMs, man, and let off. Can you hear that? Oh man, if I still had that ISR on, it would be like AK-47 shots, I feel like. Little full send right here. Oh my god, man. I love this. I absolutely love this. We'll just do a regular sport mode pull this time. Well, traction off and everything, but yeah. All right. Oh yeah, it's moving. And one thing that I really feel like feels different is the seem like they go so much longer now. Like, I don't know how to describe it besides that. Like, it just feels like it pulls longer and harder. Pretty much the best way to describe how this tune feels is, imagine if the car shotgunned about 22 Red Bulls back to back to back. That's pretty much what it feels like. Let's try a second gear pull this time. Traction off. We'll floor it at about 3,000 RPMs. It still spun. Oh man, this thing just pulls so good now. Like, I love this thing. Hit it with a 60 roll. Get to about 60 and foot to the floor. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god. This thing just rips, bro. Oh my god. Alright everybody, now to answer the most important question about this custom AlphaSpeed tune from Dream Machines. How much does this thing cost? Well, it costs $650, and honestly, in my opinion, if you've already got some mods done to your car and you don't really plan on doing any more mods, but you still want your car faster, I would definitely recommend this custom AlphaSpeed tune. Now, if you don't plan on doing any more mods, or you don't really have too many mods done to your car, but you want it to be faster, I mean, this would be a pretty good thing to go with. However, if you do get this tune and then you do decide to start modding your car, just keep in mind that you have to get a retune pretty much for every mod that changes air-fuel ratios. I don't remember exactly how much Jason said the retune was. I believe it's like $250 or so, so it's pretty pricey. That is why I decided to pretty much go full bolt-on before I throw on a tune, because I don't want to have to keep paying for retunes. But yeah man, there you guys go. I finally have a custom AlphaSpeed tune on my 2013 Genesis Coupe 3.8, and man does it feel great. It wakes up the car so much. It is a night and day difference, and I love driving this thing now. But I'm not gonna lie, I am pretty disappointed that the check engine light is still there. I mean, I thought that was supposed to disappear with the tune, but I guess not, and I'm gonna have to pick myself up a scanner and deal with it myself. But oh well, the car is faster, so I'm not really complaining, man. But yeah, that is really going to wrap it up for this video, everybody. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. If you guys want to hit up Jason for a tune, I'm gonna leave all his information down in the comments below. If you guys like this video, do not forget to drop a like and subscribe. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next one.